Yeah, hopefully that the cell phone will pick these colors, because it's absolutely, you know, beautiful. This after a whole day of raining. Well, it has been raining until what, 15 minutes ago. So we have rain on and off, on and off. But yeah, I hope this is also sign of improving situation for Liza, because, you know, after I stopped filming her blurb, yeah, and I checked I think the correct medical term is sputum, and it was, you know, light yellowish, so no presence of blood, so that was nice. And then as we were continuing our walk, it started, of course, raining. Liza went number 2, and when we came back home, she ate her kibble. No throwing up or anything. Yeah, nice colors, like very bright yellow. And as you can see, she's willing to walk, so that's nice. Well, I was already downstairs. I was already dressed with my boots laced up, and I was waiting downstairs for Liza to come, and she was still snoring at her landing on her bed, so I had to go up to basically wake her up to get down for a quick walk. I bet you that this remains of a construction project will not be removed for several months. Well, it has been what, 1 month at least. And while speaking about 1 month, if you remember, now it will quite some time ago, I was speaking about one heavy accident that happened when an elderly gentleman drove on the wrong way at the Ljubljana roundabout. Well, today they just released the information that the third person had died due to injuries. So yeah, I think that on 23rd of October it was, so today is the 18th of November, and I don't know, this will be posted, I believe, somewhere near the mid-December. Why? Because with all of this raining going on, it's quite difficult for me to film and to get any usable video to post, especially when this one doesn't want to go for a walk. So yeah, but luckily in the past, let's say 2 weeks, while we were around, we managed to film a lot of short videos for you to possibly watch. So yeah, so hopefully this night will be also spent, well, will be slept over without any interference from Liza's stomach. Yeah, very bright yellow. Yeah, finally some sun that we can see for the first time today. And here also. Yeah. So yeah, this is basically it. Hopefully, oh, Liza wants to go here, so we will go here. A lot of debris, a lot of glass. So yeah, this week they removed the, and yeah, also here, as you can see, glass shards all over the place. And now basically the trash has been laid from basically there to here. Instead, you know, of piling everything in one neat pile, you know, to maximize the space, they are just, you know, bringing near. What, in a couple of years they will be just bringing, you know, trash all over here. But you know, some people just don't care. Okay, we will stop.